Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. In today's video, I want to show you how you can fix a leaky water shutoff valve. Maybe you're working on your toilet, or maybe it's just leaking in general, but it's a pretty easy fix, so let's go ahead and dive in.
Well, hey guys, I want to show you that if you ever get in trouble and this is happening right here, where this valve on the bottom side of your toilet is running, I want to show you one way you can try to fix this run without having to replace it. So let's check that out. Well, first you want to go ahead and make sure that you turn your water off to your house. Make sure that's all the way off. You don't want any water coming to your house, so you can go ahead and work on this piece. So for this fix, you will need a pair of channel locks or an adjustable wrench. One to hold on to the valve and the other to hold on to the nut closest to the handle. Hold the valve tightly so that you don't pull the pipe away from the wall or hurt the pipe in any way. You will then tighten the nut, but be careful not to over tighten. This is a semi-common problem for older units that have been sitting and unused for a while. So this should help your water shutoff valve not leak so you can repair your toilet or just get back to normal. But if this does continue to leak, here is a video that will help you show how to fix a water shutoff valve and replace it completely.
Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video here today. I hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section. I'd love to help you out with those as well. You can also check out one of these other videos that have popped up here in your end screen, but I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.